Okay, I got this SanDisk Ultra microSDXC UHS-I card with adapter. I already opened it up. It's 128 gigabytes with a speed of up to 100 megabytes, I guess. And this is what you get. You know, you get the little adapter that comes with it. I already took the liberty of taking it out. I mean, the packaging looked good. Doesn't look like it was open before or anything, and I went ahead and I installed it into my Fire, which is the Fire HD10 with Alexa that I got as a gift. So, and as you can see, the Fire itself is it was a 32 gigabyte, and it's showing 26, and then the card itself is 119. There it goes. It's 26 gigabytes. I think itself, the memory, the internal storage, when it configures itself and it partitions the little drive that these Fires have, you wind up with less than like the 32. You know, like in my case, I got 36 because the rest is like for the settings and internal storage that the tablet itself uses. And then the XD card, it was 126 gigabytes or 120, what was it, 128 gigabytes, and you wind up with, I wound up with 119 once I installed it, and it partitioned a little sucker, and it starts using the usable space on there. So, but so far so good. We'll see how it reacts when I start storing stuff. So far, I moved some applications over, a couple of apps, and moved over to the SD card. So, I mean, it worked, it recognized it, and we'll see as we go along here. But so far, so good on this card that, you know, a lot of people were complaining about these cards that they were getting on Amazon. So, this is 128 gigs, and it came in a nice packaging. The shipment was okay. Got here on time. So, again, we'll see how it reacts. But so far, the Fire took it, and it's already starting to move apps over to it. So, we'll see as we go along how durable this card is. And the Fire itself, once you install it, it turns everything on to move stuff over, like when you download movies and apps and your pictures and all that. So we'll see how this works.